From raw gold to the most prestigious trophy in sports, this is the secret process behind the solid gold World Cup trophy that weighs 13.6 pounds. Through months of expert craftsmanship and perfection, the legendary solid gold World Cup trophy is born, ready for the champions of the world. The journey of the most prestigious trophy in the world begins deep inside gold mines. Raw gold ore is carefully extracted for the solid gold World Cup trophy. The precious ore travels to high-security refineries. The ore is crushed and ground to release pure gold particles. Advanced chemistry extracts 99.99% pure gold. Pure gold is melted and cast into solid ingots. Each ingot is rigorously tested for highest purity. Each ingot is rigorously tested for highest purity. The solid gold is transported under strict security. The gold arrives at the exclusive World Cup trophy factory. Only the purest gold is approved for the trophy. The gold is prepared for casting the iconic trophy shape. Expert artisans study every detail of the legendary design. The stem's curve is crucial for balance. Yes, and the engravings must be flawless. Let's verify the base proportions. Agreed. Precision is everything. Special molds are prepared for the solid gold body. Everything is ready to create the 13.6-pound golden trophy. This pure gold will soon become the symbol of football excellence. Molten gold is carefully poured to form the trophy's main body. The gold slowly cools to form a solid and strong structure. The rough form of the World Cup trophy emerges. The characteristic curves of the trophy take shape. The iconic world map is carefully engraved on the solid gold World Cup trophy. The famous green base is test-fitted with the solid gold World Cup trophy. Secure attachment points are created for the 13.6-pound World Cup trophy. The solid gold World Cup trophy receives mirror-like polishing. A final protective layer is applied to the World Cup trophy. The iconic green malachite base is fixed to the solid gold World Cup trophy. The engravings are flawless. Yes, and the balance is perfect. Agreed, it passes inspection. Stamping approval now. The completed solid gold World Cup trophy is officially documented. The trophy is prepared for official handover to FIFA. The solid gold World Cup trophy is placed in its official luxury case. The completed World Cup trophy receives final certification. The solid gold World Cup trophy receives regular expert care. The World Cup trophy is stored with maximum security between tournaments.
The World Cup trophy is proudly lifted by the champions.
It remains the ultimate symbol of achievement in football. The solid gold World Cup trophy is preserved for future champions. Hosting the World Cup trophy brings immense global prestige. Each solid gold World Cup trophy carries decades of master craftsmanship. It represents the ultimate dream for every footballer. Billions watch and admire this legendary solid gold World Cup trophy. This is the solid gold World Cup trophy, the ultimate prize in world football.